Tiger GTA review. What is it? Is a question you will become very familiar with if you choose to buy this car, a Tiger GTA. You may know it if you're a kit car aficionado because that's the market in which Norfolk-based Tiger has made a name for itself. And so of course, the new GTA can be ordered in bits for the more spanner inclined at £13,800, or for £3,000 more you can have it ready for the road, complete with its 170 bhp 2.0 L Zetec motor and 5-speed manual. The chassis is taken from the firm's established Avon model, and the glass fiber body has been designed wholly by the father and son team that own and run the company. Looks are a difficult thing to judge, but we think that it's quirky and interesting in all the right ways, though the fit and finish hints at the cost saving that the low price inevitably forces. You would hardly expect something high-end if you were looking at a car such as this, so many will forgive the intermittently flimsy interior, but unfortunately the way it drives just doesn't live up to expectations. It isn't a bad car to drive, but it lacks polish. A slightly sticky throttle, which then gives way to a very light pedal weight, makes smooth progress difficult, and a heavy clutch can also become wearing in the wrong sort of traffic. The steering is decent, turn-in is sharp enough, and the engine offers a good amount of punch in a car this weight, but the GTA still ends up encouraging less vigorous, more relaxed progress. Many of the niggling issues with the GTA's handling is down to the chassis, and having driven a higher-end Tiger with the company's more sophisticated tubular chassis, it's evident that it does have the know-how to create seriously entertaining and competitive sports cars. But on evidence of this test car, and it's worth pointing out that each one will vary dramatically given that the buyer even has a choice of Ford-sourced 4-pot motors, we'd say your money would be better off spent on a different Tiger or something else altogether.